Hey there boaters, it's Jeff here from Legend Boats in Barrie, and today I'm going to take you through our Splash Plus series. Really excited with all the benefits and features that this model has to offer. Legend has really put focus on the small features of the Splash Plus series. For example, the chrome corner castings, the chrome mooring cleats, as well as the soft step Dura weave flooring throughout the model. This series features an amazing upholstery package, finished with soft linen texture, as well as quilting for overall comfort, perfect for all boating weather. Each model comes standard with an extra large Bimini top, perfect for the hot sun and those rainy days. Very compact but useful change room. Opens easy as this. Done, so you don't have to waste any time getting dressed and you can spend more time in the water. The fiberglass helm features tilt steering, built-in Bluetooth AM/FM stereo, a USB port for auxiliary music, a 12-volt charging port. The gauges have a multi-gauge with RPM and fuel, as well as a battery gauge. On the right side, you'll find a built-in Helix 5 GPS fish finder, as well as all of the toggle switches necessary to turn on all of your accessories. Moving to the back of the boat, you'll notice that the models in this series have an integrated live well, which can actually double down as a very useful cooler for those hot summer days. Thank you for giving me the time today to take you through all the awesome features of the Splash Plus model. We have these in all of our showrooms here, so feel free to stop by the Barrie location and check them out. Take care.